how to use Olaplex 9. That's what you typed in, right? So I'm going to answer that question for you, and I'm also going to tell you how not to use Olaplex 9. So stick around, get some cookies. Well, hello troublemakers and rump shakers. At this point I have already shampooed my hair and I shampooed my hair with Olaplex 4 over the tub, and I have water in my ear and my husband yelling, watching dry. But now I have Olaplex 5 in my hair. I need everybody to remember your girl is doing some heat training, right? I have to be honest and say my heat training is taking so damn long. Like anybody else, this heat training take me like a couple months. I've been heat training my hair for years. But yeah, I feel like we are finally in the home stretch. That was gross. So now I'm just putting the final little bit of Olaplex on. Remember, heat training is basically getting your hair used to being straight so it don't shrivel back up on you. But eventually my texture will be a little different, because I don't want to go the relaxer route, but I do want stuff a little easier, because I sweat in my sleep. When I wake up, I'm like drenched in freaking sweat. Did you see why I said it the first time? Subscribe and then click on the bell notification and give it a thumbs up if you've been here this long. Like, what's the problem is? So at this point, you guys, I have went ahead and rinsed out the conditioner with cold water. Now I am beginning the blow drying process, and the only product I will be using right now is Olaplex 9, and I will only be using 1.5 pumps of Olaplex 9. This is the proper way to use it. The more product you use, the more you have a chance of weighing the hair down. If you are using a product like this with particles and molecules small enough and created to be small enough to go deep within the hair's cortex, if you can visually see this product sitting on your hair like in excessive amounts, you are using extremely too much product. All right, so as I am separating my hair, I do want you guys to notice that my hair is soaking wet. So yes, the curls look a little looser than normal, along with the fact that I am heat training my hair. If you want to know how to heat train and the difference between heat training and heat damage, then make sure you check the video that is linked in the description below, and I'm going to try to put it in the cards up here. All right, so you guys, it is so imperative that you use these products as directed. In a video coming very soon, I'm going to explain everything to you, but this product is actually a product that you can use as a leave-in conditioning treatment, okay? And this is why, even though Olaplex 6 is great, it's amazing, it was not made to protect your hair for during heat styling processes and things of that nature. It's not necessarily a product that is meant to be used to protect you from environmental damage and things of that nature. But guess what? Olaplex 9 is. So let's talk about Olaplex 9 in a little bit more detail, and let's break down this label. Olaplex 9 Bond Protector Nourishing Hair Serum, antioxidant rich serum, improves manageability, smooths and protects all hair types. Powered by patent Olaplex bond building technology, a weightless, antioxidant rich, multi-benefit serum that provides pollution protection to prevent and protect all hair types and textures. This controls frizz, anti-static and detangling, and it bounce back curl memory. Directions for use: apply a small amount to damp towel dried hair, work
upward from the ends to the roots. Add more as needed. Air dry for soft textures. Blow dry for a smooth finish. Diffuse for waves or curls. All right, so you guys, that is the label, right? That is how they tell you to use this product. But let's talk about it a little more, right? Because it also has heat protection up to 450 degrees Fahrenheit and 232 degrees Celsius. It is silicone free for all hair types, right? But look, the thing that is making this such an amazing product isn't just the molecule of Olaplex, but they also added red algae extract. Hair doesn't absorb most antioxidants the way that the skin does, so red algae extract is a little different. It bonds to the hair like an invisible damage shield. It smooths hair's cuticle to seal out harmful particles, and it neutralizes free radicals before they cause static, tangles, and breakage. All right, so as I tell you guys all the time, there is a science to blow drying the hair, and this is why I will forever stand behind Olaplex, because Olaplex pays attention to what cosmetologists and what professional hairstylists need the most. And in my opinion, Olaplex is one of few brands that are out there that are really paying attention to the science of hair and what you actually need, right? Because most women, if you have naturally curly hair, you are worried about your curls bouncing back after you go ahead and blow dry your hair, and you're also very, very worried about heat damage. But remember, as I told you guys in last week's video, when it comes to heat damage, your hair is only damaged if there are any holes, rips, tears, or splits within the hair shaft or within the hair's follicle, right? So if you are simply heat training your hair the same way that someone who has naturally curly hair and they're going to get a relaxer, they're doing something with the bonds, right, in their hair shaft. Also the same way that someone with naturally straight hair, if they want to add protein to their hair so they can have a little bit of curl pattern, right, they're manipulating the bonds in their hair. Everyone in this state needs some form of a bond protector, and this is where Olaplex comes into play, right? So in this case, Olaplex 9 is the official leave-in conditioner and heat protection of the entire Olaplex line. All right, Olaplex 6 is an amazing smoother, but that's more so if you are just simply going to do a really bomb blowout, right? If you're going to do a really, really good blowout, if you have the texture that can look silky smooth and straight with just a blow dryer, yes, Olaplex 6 is for you. But if you are a person that wants to straighten their hair, or you're heat training your hair and you want to make sure that your hair shaft stays protected and that you're not pulling out too much protein so that heat training doesn't transition to heat damage, Olaplex 9 is, oh my god, like an amazing product. And as you guys can see, at this point right now, the only thing that is on my hair since I have did rinse the conditioner out is Olaplex 9, and I am spraying some heat protectant on my hair. That is it, nothing else. And I need you guys to remember, I know some people, it may make, I don't know, it may make your booty itch or something when I say this, but heat damage is not caused by the flat iron. Heat damage is caused by people using too much product when they are actually flat ironing their hair. Because if you are going to use a heat tool, I understand, so I'm not judging you. You would think that you would put a bunch of products on your hair to protect your hair from the flat iron, but you're actually doing the opposite. Whenever you put product on your hair, the more contact the flat iron has with the foreign body that is not your hair, the more chances you have of heat damage. Girl, it's like frying chicken, all right? The more oil you have on the hair, the more your hair shaft gonna be a chicken wing. I'm just trying to tell you, that's how it be looking, like chicken, like fried chicken, shriveled up. I'm telling you. So make sure that you're paying attention to that. You do not need a crap load of product. And I went over the bottle, like the directions on this bottle of Olaplex 9, and I'm gonna do it again. It says apply a small amount. The first 3 words, actually the third word is small. All right, so if Olaplex 9, if the third word that they used was small on the directions, girl, don't you be pumping the whole bottle of this. So for anybody that thinks that this bottle of Olaplex 9 is expensive, in my opinion, it is not, because to blow dry my entire head, I only use 1.5 pumps. And to be honest, I could have just did 1 pump. And they know that because on the directions it says you can use a little bit more if you want, but you only need 1 pump. That's it, right? That is all you need. So if this one bottle, if the bottle of Olaplex 9 is this tall and all you need is 1 pump, and you're only straightening your hair and only blow drying your hair once a month, or once every 2 weeks, or once a week, or once every 3 weeks, how long should that bottle last? Baby, this Olaplex 9 is not expensive in that sense. When you compare how much money you're gonna spend on this bottle of Olaplex 9 with only you using 1 pump when you wash your hair, in comparison to the amount of money that you spend every day on, curl definers, leave-in conditioners, all these different shampoos and serums and oils and butters and essential oils, all of these different things that you guys are buying. Just imagine if you shrunk down the amount of products that you were using to be only the products that you actually need, right? So at this point, you guys, I am deep into the reparative stage of my scalp and, with my underarms. You guys, thank you so much for all of the concern and all of the comments. But I promise y'all, this is something that your girl been dealing with. I've been dealing with it my whole life. HS, you know what I'm saying? So growing my hair back through it is, at this point, fun for me. It's fun for me because I know exactly what to do. And that is what my 7-day hair growth challenge is all about, you guys. It is so easy to grow your hair back when you run into different issues, because let's be honest, as we get older and our body stops producing certain amino acids and we learn our body, and as it changes, we may run into hiccups, and that's not the problem. The problem is not knowing how to fix those hiccups when you run into them, right? So like I said, that's what the 7-day hair growth challenge is about, because after you take my 7-day hair growth challenge, you will forever have the tools to fix whatever problem you run into. If you do make a mistake, if you do run into a dusty hairstylist that make your edges fall out, you know what I'm saying? Like, you'll have the steps to take to fix it. So that is what my 7-day hair growth challenge is all about. So if you guys want the playbook, like the step-by-step playbook that I use to grow my hair back anytime I have an outbreak or a bald spot in my scalp, then make sure you click the link in the description box below. And let me say something, if you're still not convinced because you're like, oh girl, how you gonna teach me something? Listen, for me, I like to learn from people who hit walls and learn how to not hit that wall again, or learn how to heal themselves after they hit a wall. So, you can do one or two things. You can either click the link in the description box and sign up for my 7-day hair growth challenge, or you can just wait until I'm like Pocahontas. That's Pocahontas, but the black version. Okay, so I love you guys so much. At this point, all I'm going to do is just finish flat ironing my hair, and then I'm simply going to freaking bed. I had a couple of different things to edit and stuff like that, but for the most part, you guys, this is it. And lastly, I know that as we speak, there is once again somebody's grandchild like, oh my God, this is so much heat. Now she got the person calm. Oh my God, she is gonna have heat damage. Listen, I've been doing hair for 15 years, sucker. Okay? And no, I am not. Because let me tell you something. When I am sleeping, there is a wave of water that randomly hits my face, and I don't know where it comes from. So even though it looks like I added a bunch of heat, I am going to prove it to you in this video that heat does not instantly equal heat damage. And if it happens, someone, somewhere, somehow, in some far off place of the world has done something wrong. I'm just being honest, because your hair will revert back with absolutely no problem. All right, so I do not want anybody to be afraid of that. Keep on watching. We're just gonna talk into the end. Like, why not? We've already been here this long. So yes, like I said, I'm going in with the pressing comb one last time because I knew that I had stuff to do, and once I got up, I wanted to actually try to limit the amount of nappage that I had in the morning. I don't have a problem with my nappage, but I just didn't want to deal with it because I have things to do and other videos to record. But at this point, I'm waking up fresh in the morning, adjusting my clothes because I don't really normally wear them naked. I came into this world and naked I shall return. That's how. So yeah, now my hair isn't flowing out as normal. Why? It's because all around the perimeter was soaking wet all while I was asleep. So it's a little fluffed. I don't want you guys to blame Olaplex if you wake up in the morning like, oh, Olaplex didn't work, my curls reverted back. Listen, if your curls don't revert back, there's a problem. I need you guys to remember it's an oxymoron. You can't have your cake and eat it too, boo. So remember, if something's going to protect your curl pattern and make sure that the curls always come back, the second that any water touches your hair, your curls are going to revert back. So this goes for Olaplex 9. This goes for anyone that goes to a hairstylist and then you write a review or you say, I want a refund because my hair reverted back. It does not matter how great the hairstylist is. She cannot defy God and nature. And nature says that if your curl pattern is not damaged, if you do not have heat damage, the second that any water touches your hair, the hydrogen bond will be broken again and your hair will revert back. So if you use Olaplex 9, don't put that weight like, oh, my hair reverted back and it wasn't supposed to. No, Olaplex is going to do wonders and is going to keep you from getting heat damage. So your curls will revert back just like mine did in this morning. Okay, so yeah, you guys stay tuned because soon in our next video I'm going to break down every product in the whole Olaplex collection step by step. So stay tuned, get ready.